Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I am at Portsmouth and Southsea. We're going to be seeing services from South Western Railway, Great Western Railway and Southern. Now Portsmouth and Southsea is quite an interesting station because it's got higher level platforms, which I'm currently on now, and lower level platforms which are down there. So the plan is I'm going to split my time evenly, so spend half the time up here on the high level ones and half the time on the low level ones. We're going to start up here with the high level one, seeing as that's where I am now and that's where I arrived into. So yeah, let's get into the video. Arriving now is the 11:27 Great Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to Cardiff Central. It is formed of a two-car 158 and it is 158,760. We'll see that depart out in a minute. Departing out now is the 11:27 Great Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to Cardiff Central. Arriving now is the 11:31 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Portsmouth Harbour. The front is 450,064. The rear is 450,081. Departing out now is the 11:31 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Portsmouth Harbour. Arriving now is the 11:33 Southern service from Portsmouth Harbour to Brighton. It's 377,114. Departing out now is the 11:33 Southern service from Portsmouth Harbour to Brighton. Departing out now is the 11:38 South Western Railway service starting here at Portsmouth and Southsea going to Southampton Central. And that is 450,030. And yes, I have come down to the low level platforms now, just because the services are all kind of together on the low level ones around this time, so I'm going to get all them, then I'll head back up to the high level ones to finish off the video. Arriving now is the 11:42 South Western Railway service, terminating here at Portsmouth and Southsea from London Waterloo. And the front is 450-026. And the rear is 450-084. Arriving now is a slightly delayed 11:42 South Western Railway service, terminating here at Portsmouth and Southsea from Southampton Central. This service is running about 4 minutes late. And it is 450-125. Arriving now is the 11:50 Southern service, terminating here at Portsmouth and Southsea from Littlehampton. And this one is 377-323. Departing out now is the 11:57 Southern service, starting here at Portsmouth and Southsea, going to Littlehampton. Departing out now is the 12:07 South Western Railway service, starting here at Portsmouth and Southsea, going to London Waterloo. Arriving now is the 12:13 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Portsmouth Harbour. and have now come back up here to the high level platforms, where we will finish off and see the rest of the trains in this video. The front of this one is 450011. And the rear is 450079. Arriving now is the 12:15 Southern service from Portsmouth Harbour to London Victoria, and departing out at the same time is the 12:13 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Portsmouth Harbour. And the service bound for London Victoria is 377155. Departing out now is the 12:15 Southern service from Portsmouth Harbour to London Victoria. Arriving now is the 12:18 Southern service from Brighton to Portsmouth Harbour. And this one is 377410. Arriving now is the 12:20 South Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to London Waterloo, and departing out at the same time is the 12:18 Southern service from Brighton to Portsmouth Harbour. The front of the London Waterloo service is 450081, and we will get the rear as it departs out. Departing out now is the 12:20 South Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to London Waterloo. And the rear is 450064. Arriving now is the 12:27 Great Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to Cardiff Central. And this one is 165102. Departing out now is the 12:27 Great Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to Cardiff Central. Arriving now is a 12:31 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Portsmouth Harbour. The front is 444037. And the rear is 444042. Arriving now is a 12:33 Southern service from Portsmouth Harbour to Brighton. The Brighton service is 377410. Departing out now is a 12:31 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Portsmouth Harbour. Departing out now is a 12:33 Southern service from Portsmouth Harbour to Brighton. And that's going to be the final train in this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you all very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.